In this Shopify versus Amazon comparison, I'm going to help you decide which of these two hugely popular platforms is right for your e-commerce project. In case we haven't met yet, I'm Matt Walsh from Style Factory. At Style Factory, we review and compare leading e-commerce solutions to help you try to find the one that meets your needs best. Do subscribe to our channel to make sure you get all our latest content. Okay, so let's kick things off with a look at the key difference between Shopify and Amazon. Shopify and Amazon are two of the biggest names in the e-commerce world, but although both services let you put your products in front of a massive audience, they are very different platforms. Shopify is a tool that lets you create your own online store, but Amazon actually is an online store, and a huge one at that, with billions of products on sale to over 300 million customers worldwide. When you sell on Shopify, it's like renting a space in which to set up your own shop. But using Amazon is more like selling your goods in a massive supermarket. With Shopify, you'll have more work to do to set things up the way you want and find customers to sell your products to. However, you'll have much more control over everything. You can decide how your brand is presented, what your store looks like, how you advertise products, how you capture data, and the way you sell your goods. With Amazon, the customer base is already there, but so is your competition. To continue the supermarket analogy, selling on Amazon is like having some shelf space in the supermarket aisle. Lots of people will walk past it, but will they reach out for one of your products or choose one from the shelf above? Now, both these ways of selling have their advantages and disadvantages, and in the rest of this video, I'm going to spell the main ones out for you. I'm going to start with the key reasons to use Shopify over Amazon. 1. Shopify is a better option for merchants who need a fully branded, standalone store. When you sell on Amazon, you are pretty limited in terms of how you can present your business. Although a few basic customizations are possible, in general your storefront is going to look very Amazon-y, and you won't be able to create much of a bespoke shopping experience using the platform. Shopify, by contrast, gives you a huge amount of control over your brand and user experience. A large range of templates is available, and these can be extensively edited to match your branding. Multi-currency and multilingual features in Shopify allow you to further customize the user experience. So, if you're looking for a bespoke shopping experience tailored to a particular buyer persona, market, or location, Shopify offers this in a way that Amazon doesn't. 2. Shopify is much better for dropshipping. Dropshipping is a way of selling goods where you don't make, store, or fulfill any products. You take an order via your online store, send it to a supplier, and they deliver the goods to your client. Although you can technically dropship with either Shopify or Amazon, Shopify is a much better solution for this type of online selling, and in many ways has been designed with it in mind. With Shopify, you can connect your store easily to a huge number of dropshipping apps and suppliers. By contrast, Amazon's dropshipping policy places quite a lot of restrictions on how you dropship, and the process for doing so isn't particularly straightforward. Additionally, Shopify gives you a special toolkit to help you get going with dropshipping. Its Dropshipping Starter Kit gives you a host of free resources that are designed to help new merchants start a successful dropshipping business. You'll find a link to the Starter Kit, which also includes access to an extendable Shopify free trial, in the video description. 3. Shopify is better for point-of-sale applications. Point-of-sale features let you sell goods not just online, but in physical locations too. For example, retail outlets, market stalls, and at events. Shopify is a market leader when it comes to point-of-sale, giving you the hardware and software to make selling in the real world easy, all while keeping your offline and online sales data in sync. Although various workarounds and integrations are available for Amazon that let you sell at point of sale, Shopify's POS features are considerably more extensive and much more baked in to the platform. 4. Shopify comes with more marketing tools. Shopify comes with two important marketing features that you don't get from Amazon: a built-in blog and an email marketing system. A blog is absolutely vital for SEO and inbound marketing applications, and key to attracting organic traffic to your store. And Shopify's generous email marketing feature, which lets you send up to 10,000 newsletters a month for free, lets you capture email addresses and spread the word about your products easily. That's really just scratching the surface though when it comes to the marketing opportunities for Shopify. In Shopify's App Store, you'll find thousands of apps that you can install on your site. Many of these let you integrate your store with key marketing tools in ways that are simply not possible with Amazon. 5. Shopify lets you do business more ethically. Something you won't always encounter in a Shopify versus Amazon comparison is a discussion about ethics. But Amazon's approaches to paying its fair share of tax, working with unions, and supporting workers' rights have made a lot of people uncomfortable over the years. So if you have sensitivities around this area and want to make a more ethical approach to doing business, then setting up a Shopify store may be a good way to do so. That's not to say that Shopify is a perfect company, but using it will give you more control over the moral aspects of how you do business. 6. There's a greater focus on customer support. Although support for Amazon sellers is technically available, it's not something that the company really shouts about. Support is not listed as a key feature of plans on the Amazon seller's website, and contact details for Amazon's support team are not particularly prominent on any of the company's online materials for merchants. By contrast, support is a key feature of all Shopify plans, and it's pretty easy to get through to the company's support team. Live chat and email support are available for the platform, as are support web pages in 21 different languages. If you're a Shopify Plus customer, phone support is available too. Okay, so those are the main reasons to sell on Shopify rather than Amazon. In a moment, I'll take a look at the reasons why Amazon can be a better choice. But before I do that, I'd just like to say that if you're interested in using either Shopify or Amazon, do check out the video description, where you'll find links to all the latest information, trials, and offers for both platforms. These include the Shopify Dropshipping Starter Kit and information about a $1 per month Shopify offer. Please note that some of the links in the description are affiliate links. If you buy through these, we may get a commission. This helps to fund our work and comes at no extra cost to you. Okay, so let's move on to the reasons to use Amazon. 1. Amazon gives you access to a huge, ready-made market. There's no doubt about it. If you're looking for access to a large, existing customer base, Amazon is the winner in a Shopify versus Amazon shootout. Because of its 300 plus million user accounts in over 180 countries, having a storefront on Amazon technically gives you a shop window to the world. This is the major benefit of using the platform over a store builder like Shopify. That's not to say that you will experience a huge rush of customers the moment you start selling on Amazon, but your products will be immediately available on a hugely popular platform. And, so long as you've identified a niche correctly and put work into creating quality product descriptions and a strong pricing strategy, you do stand a pretty good chance of generating sales. By contrast, when you set up a Shopify store, you are starting entirely from scratch. You need to build your own customer base. And this won't necessarily be easy. You'll need to put a lot of work into SEO, content marketing, online advertising, and PR before your Shopify store starts to gain visibility and customers. This can be an expensive and time-consuming endeavor. 2. With Amazon, you don't have to worry about web design. When you sell on Amazon, it's a simple case of listing your products on an existing online marketplace. With Shopify, however, you're building an entirely new website, so you'll have to become comfortable with web design tasks like registering domains, creating web pages, customizing themes, installing apps, and writing search-friendly content. All this means that you'll encounter a learning curve from Shopify that isn't really there on Amazon. 3. Amazon gives you more SEO opportunities. Something that's often overlooked about Amazon stores is that, unlike Shopify, they present merchants with 2 search engine optimization opportunities. Not only can you optimize your storefront for Amazon's search engine, but because your Amazon store is crawled by other search engines, Google too. This means that technically, an Amazon store presents you with more search audiences than a Shopify one, and a larger pool of potential customers. And importantly, having your products appear on 2 search engines gives you a key way to de-risk your business. By generating traffic not just from Google, but Amazon too, you'll be diversifying your traffic sources and making yourself less vulnerable to all your traffic getting wiped out by one algorithm update. So, those are the main advantages that we think Amazon has over Shopify. To sum everything up, we'd say that the main advantage of Shopify is the high level of control you get over your brand and your business, and the main advantage of Amazon is the ready-made market it gives you. But although this comparison has so far looked at the differences between Shopify and Amazon, it's important to understand that you don't have to use these platforms in a mutually exclusive way. There are quite a lot of apps available in the Shopify App Store that let you sell on both Shopify and Amazon at the same time. These include the official Shopify-developed Shopify Marketplace Connect app, along with other third-party solutions. You can also use Amazon's Buy with Prime feature on your Shopify store. This lets merchants sell goods with Prime benefits on their own stores, giving customers a fast and familiar checkout process, next-day delivery, and free returns. To make use of this integration, Shopify store owners simply need to install the free Buy with Prime for Shopify app, which is available in the Shopify App Store. Ultimately, by having a presence on both Shopify and Amazon, you're giving yourself more ways to grow your e-commerce business. I hope you've enjoyed our Shopify versus Amazon comparison, but there are lots more pros and cons of both platforms to discover. To learn more about these, check out the full Shopify versus Amazon comparison on the Style Factory website. There's a link to this in the video description. And if you're interested in trying out Shopify or Amazon, you'll find links to both in the video description too, along with all the latest special offers for them. To get all our latest e-commerce advice, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notifications bell. And finally, if you have any questions about Shopify versus Amazon, just leave them in the comment section below. We read them all and will do our best to help.